Ninth Standard Science, Unit 23, Economic Biology. In the lesson book back answers பார்ப்போம். Take page number 287. Choose the correct answer. First one. The production and management of fish is called option A, pisciculture. Second one, which one of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? Option C, Sahiwal. Third one, which one of the following is an Italian species of honeybee? Option B answer, Apis dorsata. Fourth one, which one of the following is not an Indian major carp? D, Sincara. Fifth one, drones in the honeybee colony are formed from option B, fertilized egg. And sixth one, which of the following is an high milk yielding variety of cow? Option A, Holstein Friesian. Seventh one, which Indian variety of honeybee is commonly used for apiculture? Option D, Apis indica. Eighth one, dash of the method of growing plants without soil? Option B answer, hydroponics. Ninth one, the symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is option C, mycorrhizae. Tenth one, the plant body of mushroom is option B, mycelium. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, quinine drunk is obtained from cinchona maram. Second one, carico papaya leaf can cure dengue disease. Third one, vermicompost is a type of soil made by dash and microorganisms, earthworm. Fourth one, dash refers to the culture of prawn, pearl and edible oysters, aquaculture. Fifth one, the largest member in a honeybee hive is the queen bee. Sixth one, dash is preservative in honey, formic acid. Seventh one, dash is the method of culturing different variety of fish in a water body, polyculture. Roman letter 3, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, mycorrhizae is an algae. The answer is false. The correct statement, mycorrhizae is an fungi. Second one, milch animal are used in agriculture and transport. The answer is false. Then third one, Apis florea is a rock bee. The statement is false. The correct statement is little bee. Fourth one, Angol is an exotic breed of cattle. The answer is false. The correct statement, Angol is a dual purpose. Then fifth one, sheep manure contains high nutrients than farmyard manure. The answer is true. Fourth one, match the following. First one, lobsters, shellfish. Catla, finfish. Sea bass, marine fish. Oysters, pearl. Pokali, paddy. Then Bleurus espius, oyster mushroom. Seventh one, Sharbagantha, Resprain. Olericulture, vegetable farming. Vricta tinctoria, psoriasis. Then fifth Roman letter, differentiate the following. A, exotic breed and indigenous breed. Exotic breed, indigenous breed. First one, exotic breeds are imported from foreign countries. The indigenous breed are native to India. Second one, these foreign breeds are selected for long lactation periods. Then indigenous breed, these local breeds show excellent resistance to diseases. Third point, example, Jersey, Brown Swiss and Holstein Friesian. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ example ಶೈವಾಲ್ rich in the deony and gir. Then second one B, pollen and nectar. Pollen and nectar. First point, pollen is a fine to a coarse powdery substance comprising pollen grain which are male microgametophytes of seed plants which produce male gametes. Then nectar, it is a sweet viscous secretion secreted by flower of plants. Third one C, shrimp and prawn. Shrimp and prawn. First point, shrimp has the lamellar gills. Prawn have branching gills. Second point, shrimp have claws on 2 of their 5 pairs of legs. Prawn have claws on 3 of their 5 pairs of legs. Then option D, farmyard manure and sheep manure. Farmyard manure and sheep manure. First one, well decomposed farmyard manure contain 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% available phosphate and 0.5% available potash. Then sheep manure, it contains 3% then nitrogen, 1% phosphorus pentoxide and 2% potassium oxide. In sixth Roman letter, answer briefly. First one, what are secondary metabolites? Take page number 276. Page number 276 medicinal plants. The second line, most medicines are obtained either directly or indirectly from plants. All the major systems of medicine such as Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, Ayush use drugs obtained from plants and animals. These drugs from medicinal plants are called secondary metabolites. இது வரைக்கும் 6th Roman letter first question answer. And second one, what are the types of vegetable garden? Take page number 273 and 274. Vegetable farming can be classified into first point, kitchen or nutrition gardening. Second point, commercial gardening. Third point, vegetable foraging. இது வரைக்கும் 6th Roman letterல second question answer. Third question, mention any two mushroom preservation methods. Take page number 278. Mushroom preservation methods. First one, freezing. Second one, drying. Third one, canning. Fourth one, vacuum cooling. Fifth one, gamma radiation and storing at 15 degree Celsius. இது வரைக்கும் 6th Romanல third question. இதில் any 2 points நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கங்க. Fourth question, enumerate the advantages of vermicompost over chemical fertilizer. Take page number 284. It is a rich source of nutrients essential for plant growth. It makes the soil fertile. And second point, it is improves the water holding capacity and helps to prevent soil erosion. Third point, it contains valuable vitamins, enzymes and growth regulators substances for increasing growth, vigor and yielding of plants. Fourth point, it enhances decomposition of organic matter in soil. Fifth point, vermicompost is free from pathogens and toxic elements. Sixth, vermicompost is rich in beneficial microflora. இது 6 points கொடுத்திருக்காங்களே, இதில் any 4 points நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கங்க. இது வரைக்கும் 6th Roman letterல 4th question answer. Fifth question, what are the species of earthworm used for vermiculture? Take page number 283. The earthworms used for vermicompost production are Pernax excavatus, Indian blueworm, Ischenia fetida, redworms, then Udrulus eugenia, African night crawler. இது வரைக்கும் 6th Roman letterல 5th question உடைய answer. 6th question, list the medicinal importance of honey. Take page number 285. Uses of honey. First point, honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is a blood purifier. Second point, it helps in building up a hemoglobin content in the blood. Third point, it is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. Fourth point, it prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. Then fifth point, it is a remedy for ulcers of tongue, stomach and intestine. Then sixth, it enhances the digestion and aptitude. இது வரைக்கும் sixth Roman letterல sixth question answer. இதில் நீங்கள் any 4 points எழுதிக்கலாம். Seventh Roman letter, answer in detail. First one, enumerate the advantages of hydroponics. Check page number 278. Hydroponics is the method of growing plants without soil using mineral nutrient solutions in water. The containers are made of glass, metal or plastic. They range in size from small pots for individual plants to huge tank for large scale growing. It was demonstrated by a German botanist Julius von Sachs in 1980. Hydroponics is successfully employed for the commercial production of seedless cucumber and tomato. இது வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு next importance of hydroponics. First point, conservation of water and nutrients. Second point, controlled plant growth. Third point, it deserts and arctic regions. Hydroponics can be an effective alternative methods. இது வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letter first detail answer. Second question, define mushroom culture. Explain the mushroom cultivation methods. Take page number 277. Mushroom cultivation. Mushroom cultivation is a technology of growing mushrooms using plant, animal and industrial waste. Then composting. Composting is prepared by mixing paddy straw with a number of organic materials like cow dung and inorganic fertilizers. It is kept about 50 degrees Celsius for 1 week. Then spawning. Spawn is the mushroom seed. It is prepared by growing fungal mycelium in grains under sterile condition. Spawn is shown on compost. Then casing. Compost is covered with a thin layer of soil. It gives support to the growing mushroom, provides humidity and helps regulate the temperature. Then pinning. Mycelium starts to form little buds which will develop into mushroom. It is known as pinning. Those little white buds are called pins. Then harvesting. Mushrooms are grow better in 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. They grow 3 cm in a week, which is the normal size of the harvesting. In the third week, the first flush mushroom can be harvested. Then preservation. Discoloration, weight and flavor loss are the main problems during harvesting of mushrooms. இது வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letter second detailed answer. Third one, what are the sources of organic resources for vermicomposting? Take page number 284. Vermicomposting material. Biologically degradable organic waste are used as potential organic resources for vermicomposting. They are: first point, agricultural waste, crop residue, vegetable waste, sugarcane trash. Second point, crop residues, rice straw, tea waste, cereal and pulses residues, rice husk, tobacco waste, coir waste. Then third point, leaf litter. Fourth, fruits and vegetable waste. Fifth one, animal waste, cattle dung, poultry dropping, pig slurry, goat and sheep droppings. Then sixth, biogas slurry. இது வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letter third detail answer. Fourth one, give an account of different types of fish ponds used for rearing fishes. Take page number 281. Types of ponds for fish culture. Fish farm requires different types of ponds for the various developmental stages of fish growth. Breeding pond. Healthy and sexually mature male and female fishes are collected and introduced in the spawn for breeding. Then hatching pits. The fertilizer eggs are transferred to hatching pits or hatching hapas for hatching. Nursery ponds. The hatchings are transferred from hatching pits after 2 to 7 days. The hatchlings grow into fry and are cultured in these ponds. Then rearing ponds. Rearing ponds are used to culture the fry. In these rearing ponds, the fry develops into fingerlings. Then stocking pond. The stocking pond is also called as culture pond or production pond. These ponds are used to rear fingerlings up to their marketable size. ಅದು ವರೆಗೂ 7th Roman letter, 4th detail answer. Fifth one, classify the different breeds of the cattle with suitable examples. Take page number 279. Then dairy animals are domesticated for obtaining milk. Then indigenous breeds are native of India. They include Shaiwal, Red Shinty, Dioni and Gir. Then exotic breeds are imported from foreign countries. They include Jersey, Brown Swiss and Holstein Friesian, etc. Then be draft or draft breeds. They are used for agricultural work. These include Amirta Mahal, Kangayam, Amblacheri, Malvi, Shri and Halikar breeds. Then dual purpose breeds. The cows of these breeds provide milk and the bulls are useful for farm work. They include Haryana, Ongoli, Congrage and Tarparkar. Idvaraku 7th Roman letter, 5th detail answer. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking skills. First one, biomanuring plays an important role in agriculture. Justify. First point, biomanuring reduces soil pollution, water pollution and air pollution, etc. Second point, it protects soil health and promotes soil fertility. Third point, it provides a healthy production of vegetables, fruits, etc. Fourth point, it makes the soil fertile by adding nutrients like nitrogen. Second point, each beehive consists of hexagonal cells. Name the material in which the cell is formed and mention the significance of the hexagonal cells. First point, the comb of the bee is formed mainly by the secretion of the wax glands present in the abdomen of the worker bee. Second point, a comb is a vertical sheet of wax with double layer of hexagonal cells. Third point, hexagonal cells serve as storage vessels for honey as well as home to raise the young bees.